everybody, welcome back to the channel, and guess what day it is? It is Bike Donation Day. If you could hit the like and subscribe button, it really helps us get our stuff out to the world, and enjoy the episode. We're donating some bikes. All right, good afternoon. It is a Wednesday. It is a high octane Wednesday night. We're gonna fill this thing up about 6 times tonight. Maybe not that many. Sounds good though. All right, so we got to go get a refrigerator. I'm not going to bring you with us. We'll get it all loaded up and then we will be back. All right, just bringing you back in. We got those big old rotors, we got the tent, and we are back to the Wii house from earlier in the week where we had picked up that Wii. What do you got here? Kind of little oven skillet McDougal thing is this going on around here? We will take it because this thing is heavy. And some aluminum. That's what I'm talking about. This is gonna be a good night. Dun, 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 dun. Aluminum. Yeah, that's really about it. We'll take the fishing gear. And off we go. All right, so we've been missing you guys all day, all the calls. No bringing you guys along. I'm sorry about that. I'm not being a very good host. Just remember, I still love you. Oh my goodness. How you doing? Oh, come on. Not gonna fit that way. Of course not. Go over. All right. There we go. Go over. Go over. All right. So, this is just a little too nice to scrap, in my humble opinion. Who knows? I may even start working out. But anyway, yeah, so we wanted to come and drop that off before we go out into the world and see what's out there. That's what we got so far. Whew. We got some stuff on the side of the house so that if we need to, we can just start getting stuff in there. Towards the end, that thing has been a pain in my butt. Goodness gracious. I own a plumbing business, and this is the one thing that I do not do, is clean drains. I'm allergic to it. Allergic to cleaning drains. Yes, sir. All right, we're out of here. Let's go. Enough about my drain cleaning. All the crazy stuff went over to the west of us, like southwest. I am a little bit, northeast of Orlando. So Orlando probably got all that mess. Yo, it's getting bad. I swore I seen a dryer, but there was no dryer there. So you guys figure that out. I don't know. Oh, and our favorite thing in the world, basketball hoops. You just chill. Yeah, you're not doing so good at just chilling. All right, I'm gonna figure this out and we will bring you back to the lives of how we love basketball hoops. It's so good. All right, well, when we first started doing this, I thought, worst stack ever. This is by far worst stack I've ever seen. But now that we did it, I'm like, hey, that's kind of cool. I don't think I have any beef with that at all. Can you even imagine? And he's saying, I ain't got no beef with that. I think that's pretty nice. So, we'll see how it goes. We get anything big, and we're definitely going to have to unleash this back part. But overall, I've had them hanging off a little bit, but never like that, but it's nice and tight. All right, some chairs. Boy, oh boy, I'll tell you what, folks, I am all worked up right now. I am all worked up. It's been pretty, well, just this neighborhood. This neighborhood's been a little slow. But this person that hijacked my father's account, he changed the names, changed it all to like his stuff. It's the weirdest thing. It's very weird. Very, very, very weird. Anyway, off we go. Look at us go. 1, 2, 1, 2. Ours all beeping for no reason. Oh, this thing's had it. It's had its better days. We got a place for you. Don't you worry about that. Just got to keep you all bundled up in here. All right. I was not breathing in. All right, so tonight was not the best night for this neighborhood, but that's okay. Other nights have been really good in this neighborhood, so ebb and flow. And we have all those units, so we still got the, maybe tighten this up a little bit more. The washing machine, not the washing machine, the dryer, the fridge, and the other thing there, deep freezer. Deep freezer. The truck right back to being a disaster zone, so that's fun. But that's gonna change because on Friday we just sold all those scooters and everything. But the guy asked if I could deliver them, and it's like 2 hours away. So instead of, come on, dude. Instead of 120, we ended up getting 325 for gas and everything else. So I'm gonna have to clean this out because I'm putting them all right in here. We are not bringing the trailer down there. And I get like 24 miles to the gallon in this thing. So I'll probably spend $25, $30 in gas there and back. So there we go, we got some totes. But I think that's a pretty good deal for 4 scooters, a go-kart, and the motorcycle. It's time to play everybody's favorite scrapping game. Is it stinky or is it not? With your host, Junkman 5000. Ooh, look at that. Not even stinky. It's not stinky at all. This may be one that I send pictures to my guy. See if he wants it. It's like the Refrigerator Express around here. All right, I gotta shut off this car too. We gotta make some room here. We got some work to do. We will be back in a few. I know that guy. All right, let's go to work. Quit looking at yourself in the mirror there, kid. Holy goodness. I do gotta tell you that I like these wheels better. I can't remember what we paid for them, but whatever it is, I think it's worth the money. All right, all we gotta do is, oh, I don't want to go that way though. I guess there's enough room up there to turn it around up there. I want to put the face in front. All right, let's do it this way. Oh, help, help. Yeah. Now we gotta do is turn it around. It's all about the balance points. That was a good catch, you guys. Oh, this was a big team lift. What are we doing? It's that new catchphrase. Hey, if you want to be part of the team and do crazy little things like we're doing right now, all you gotta do to be part of the team is smash that like button and that subscribe button and tune in every day for the rest of your life. And then you're part of the team. What a day. Let's go. It's grill time. You guys just missed it. You missed it. I thought the camera was still on. There was a whole conversation going on. And you guys weren't there. So it's too bad. It's too bad. I think it was one of my funnier moments. At least I thought it was pretty funny. I don't even remember what I was talking about. Something over here. Over there, over here. Over somewhere. Oh, when I was looking in there, that looked great. And now that I'm here, this doesn't look great at all. I'm trying to get a nice flat surface going here. All right. I think I like that. I like that a lot. All right, we're gonna strap it in. We'll bring you guys back on the next one. I don't want to forget about this guy. What do you got hiding over here? What are you doing, dude? Look at this guy was just chilling over in the corner. What are you doing too? Come on, guys. All right, so update on the fridge. My guy's taking it. He said, ooh, nice find. I'll take that. So I say, sounds good to me. Side of the house you will go. No, not side of the house. That's the wrong answer. Wrong, bad. Side of the house is where things go to not come back. That will be a backyard. Let me get McCuddy. Here we go. See where we can fit this thing. Wow. That's a good spot, don't you think? Come on, y'all gotta vote on this. You're part of the team now. Little filing cabinet. Anything in you? Man, I bet you I could get $10 for that. What do you guys think? If it don't get too damaged on the way home. $10 all day. All day for that thing. Got the smell of bubblegum. That's such a good smell of bubblegum action. All right. Heavy irony. I don't know where my clippers are. I don't know what I did with them. Races. Remember those when you were a kid? Do they still let the kids do that nowadays? Just asking. Slowly but steadily kind of filling up. It's kind of a awkward type fill, I guess. But either way, we're still filling. Oh, update. I gotta do a video about this. I had found a lawnmower like last week, 2 weeks ago, and my next door neighbor is pretty mechanically inclined, so I'm like, hey, can you take a look at this for me? And he looked at it and all that other good stuff. Well, he just got it back today and the thing works great. First, I was going to start cleaning out the trailer, but now I think we're just going to use one of our team lift drills and just plop this thing right on up there. The lights are out, lights are on, team lift on 3. Oh, don't do that. Yeah. We'll throw a bad nasty strap on that and be on our way. I like it. Oh, I almost forgot to illuminate you there. All right, well, who knows what we're doing. We're just throwing stuff on there. It's all gotta come back off. Well, maybe it doesn't, I don't know. So I'm gonna leave it. All right, off to the next stop. Morning, everybody. Look at that beautiful sunrise. We're out early this morning. We got to get some things off of here, get this fridge off, so we are gonna hop right to it. We will keep you along for certain stages, so we will see you guys in a little bit. Know that we're out here working hard first thing in the morning. So we want to get those other units that are back there on here. So all this stuff has to go. All right, we'll see you guys in a little bit. So the back side of this is off. We're gonna run around back, drop this refrigerator real quick, and then we'll be back. We got that thing last night, so we're gonna try to sell that. That's in the back. My old lawnmower, that's going probably tomorrow. I gotta do a little short on that though, but we got a new one, so that's good. All right, yeah, that's about it. All this stuff is getting that, and those 3 scooters are all going tomorrow. I all gotta fit those in the car, so that should be interesting. All reloaded. That is gonna be it for today. We're gonna get in real quick, get all this stuff unloaded, get back and start loading bikes. I'm trying to be to Rusty's by 11. So this fridge, we're still gonna check on this. I didn't check with my guy yet. So the fridge, that we still want to sell. All this stuff we're still selling. So biggest thing is when we get back to start shuffling bikes. Shuffle. All right, see you guys in a little bit. Since we don't have a second run in us today, I'm just coming through this neighborhood, a couple neighborhoods on the way in, just seeing if there's anything that we could top this thing off with. 1,000 miles an hour today. The first one's in line. Only took till Thursday. I think the goal for this load should be 700-800 pounds. See how that works. So we'll get ripping into it as soon as we open the gate. See you soon. Hey, welcome back. Just trying to maybe give you a little different perspective on it. So we're gonna go ahead and rip this thing down. Hopefully you can see a little something, and yeah. I almost forgot about you. That would have been devastating. Drive away and 10 minutes later, like, what? All right, well, here's what we're keeping. There it is, keeping those fish in. I'm gonna at least have to play with that snake, stupid snake. This right here. The rotors, when we got cast, we'll do cast tomorrow. And that's it. So off to see El Jefe. I ain't got a whole lot for you today. Not a whole lot. Damn. Good?
Yeah. How are we doing today, sir?
I think I'm doing all right. How you doing?
Good. These are nice.
Good with light on this?
What?
Light? What do you guys do with these?
What is it?
Waffle maker?
Oh, snap.
Yeah?
That's awesome. Sure.
I probably should have thought about that before I cut them.
Yeah.
And that's it, Papa. I gotta go donate some bikes.
Oh, yeah.
Bike day. And I got like 45 of them that I gotta stack.
Holy moly.
I gotta jam.
That's
I'll
right.
see you later. Have a good day. Back here at the house, we're gonna start bringing stuff in through the forest over there and see how many bikes we can get on. The truck is starting to run. It started up a little funky when we were leaving E&H, and now it's, you get it to top end, it's fine. It's when you're first starting out, it's like it's got no, I got a catalytic converter issue that I've known about, but it may be rearing its ugly head. But let's do some bikes. It's literally like going through a jungle. Why are you so crazy, Florida? One day we're coming in here and I'm just chopping. All right, everything over here is done. So let's get in the backyard. All right, good. By the way, you guys, hope you're looking at everything all right. That's 30 bikes on there right now. So let's go load up the rest of the front. We should be all right here. I was just leaving and I really left my GoPro on the trash can. Wow. All right, we are pulling into Rusty's here in a second. And we're gonna unload these bikes real quick. Car is not acting right at all. So we're going in for, it needs oil change anyway. So luckily we're gonna get it right in. And all right, here we are, we're at Rusty's. We're gonna unload the last couple bikes here. I think we'll bring you along. Welcome back. This is what we got left. We brought all the other bikes down to his other shop. That's Rusty's. So just unloading these here. And I'm in Mario. That's his shop right there. So I think we're picking up a dryer for Jeffy. Jeff's dryer just took a poop. So, oh, what are you doing, little lizard? Hi, 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 hi. It's okay. Oh. So usually there's like 20 people around and we don't do much recording here. We brought all of the other stuff down to his other, there's a whole nother bay, and he just got finished loading bikes. So we're probably gonna join up again. He said the landfill has some bikes for him. And sometimes there, my man, I'm telling you, I had a batch of them on here. Dude.
In Puerto Rico, they'll ride those things with no tires.
Yeah, absolutely.
They'll kill it till they die, for real.
My first job was at a bike shop, and they gave away bikes every Christmas, so. Yeah. Yeah, it's crazy.
Do you think if we met there at 2 o'clock on Wednesday?
Yeah, Wednesday's a good day for me to do that.
You think we'd be okay with weather?
Oh, well, that's a...
We have no idea. But
yeah, that's a 50-50.
Yeah. This will get new handlebar and stems, and probably new tires.
Boom. All right, and those are going in the pile tomorrow. Boom. All right, we're out of here. Here we are, we're back at the house, dropping the trailer. I'm gonna grab a bite to eat, and then gotta bring this bad nugget in. It's not acting right, not acting right. Let's hope for the best, people, hope for the best. So Rusty ended up keeping 35 bikes and 3 scooters, and then we got like four or 5 bikes from him that were going to recycling. So those will all get recycled. I told you on this bike, on these right here, these tires cost more a piece. It's $24 just for these tires, so you don't mess with them. And then Jeffy's dryer, he's gonna come by later on today and get it. So I'm gonna throw a tarp over that real quick. Let me do that. But that is a wrap, folks. That's a wrap. Well, maybe not. We'll bring you to E&H. Maybe we'll shoot a little footage there. Either way, I'll see you in a little bit. Okay, my neighbor had referred me out this morning to get this refrigerator, and it's just been craziness ever since. And then I went to go look for him, because it's supposed to be right down the road. I couldn't find it earlier. My fault, not his fault. So I went back and picked it up. We wrapped up Jeff's dryer, and we are now dropping the trailer so we can go get the car worked on. Fun, fun, fun. 1,000 miles an hour. Are we having fun yet? So we'll see you at C&D. It's gonna be a late one today. All right, hey everybody, let's go through this ticket. It's real late. We just got back from the repair shop and this is gonna die. So if it does, oh well. 1,020 and 10, 22 and irony all light, 12 and 12 pounds and irony all heavy for a total of 70.20. Not the best night, but we got that fridge. That'll be another 40 bucks. Actually more than I thought it was gonna be. All right, we're back. It cut out there real quick. So then we donated the bikes. It was a big bike day. Total between all the weight between the bikes, it was 35 bikes and 3 scooters. That came out to 730 pounds. So altogether we did 1,784 pounds on the day. We don't get anything for the bikes. We got 70.20 for the recycling stuff. So that's a day. That's a whole day. And then we just put in way more money on the car. Tensioner belt needed to be replaced. Catalytic converters are going bad. So we're just all gonna keep having fun. You know what I mean? Just do what we can do. Super late today. So quote of the day, quote of the day, quote of the day. The bad thing is that time is short. And the good thing is there is still some time. Once again, the bad thing is that time is short, and the good thing is there's still some time. And that's true in life. You know, you're only here for so long, but once you have that mindset of you're going after something, then you still got time. If you're here, you still got time. So whatever you're going after in life, just get after it. Don't worry about the time spent. Worry about the time in the future. All right, everybody, that's a day. We're not going to go into a whole bunch of stuff today. I am running super far behind. Don't even know if we're going to make it out tonight. So I am going to get inside, edit this video. I'd like to say a big thank you to you, the fans, the people who watch this nonsense. I really appreciate it. Teamwork makes the dream work, and without you, there is no us. So we appreciate you. Have a great day, and we will see you on the next one.